UNCDF. UNCDF is the main partner of Pesatech Accelerator, and Pesatech actually is the result of study done by us in 2021. So in our research, Tanzania's fintech landscape has grown and changed positively due to the regulatory reforms and in the payment sector, and also the launch of government policies and initiatives focusing on ICT. With the support from European Union and Swedish Embassy, we start the Pesatech Accelerator program last year. So working with the fintech startup is actually eye-opening experience for us. It is exciting to see the growth of the startup in terms of being able to form new partnerships with MNOs and banks, even among themselves. So Pesatech startups also help us understanding better what is the challenges and opportunities in the ecosystem. And we're also seeing the growth of the sector itself and a growth of government interest in supporting the sector, and also the contribution that fintech sector can bring to the digital transformation in Tanzania. As UNCDF, we're always looking forward to working with more startups and also the other stakeholders in the ecosystem.
Hi, my name is Gerson Julius. I'm a founding partner at IPF Software. Our experience working with Pesatech Accelerator has been really great. Working with 18 startups to help them build world-class digital solutions, but as well working with the partners in the Pesatech program. Our role in Pesatech program has been in two parts. One, doing the technical assessment for the 18 startups, but as well to be able to facilitate the technical bootcamp to help the founders and the developers building these startups. So we start with the technical assessment. The technical assessment has been mainly focused in assessing the product that have been built, if they will be scalable enough, and usability of the product, security of the product built, but as well we assess the teams and the infrastructure that they're used in where the solutions are being deployed. After the assessment, we gave the startups a very detailed report, which they've used to help improve their product and their team structures and everything. After that, we conducted a technical bootcamp where we had it separated in two groups. First, for the engineers, the developers who are building these products, but as well for the non-technical founder. My interest has been really in the founders, training the founders on how to manage technical teams, how to manage engineers, how to manage projects. And we focus in training them about agile software development and how they can be able to use frameworks such as Scrum to easily be able to implement agile projects to be able to see a better return on investment for their product. We have already seen improvements since we conducted the bootcamp, and we're seeing results. We're getting positive feedback from the startups, and we are really looking forward to see these products and maybe one day get one of the unicorn out of these 18 startups.
Hello, my name is Catherine Misigaro. I'm the founder of Enea Advisors. Enea Advisors is a consulting firm providing strategy and financial advisory services to early-stage businesses. We had the wonderful opportunity of providing technical support in the Pesatech Accelerator. The support came through with a business health check and business coaching services. This was very important in helping startups pinpoint what was wrong with their businesses and what are the actionable steps they needed to take. We also coached them through their financial models, their operational models, their business strategies, and we believe that this will be very key to their growth, even beyond the accelerator. One of the key lessons for us as a business service provider is that pairing our coaching services to funding assistance and investor matching is the quickest way to accelerate Tanzanian startups, and we look forward to more programming like this.
Hi, I'm Ajay Ramasubramaniam, co-founder and CEO at Hindsight Ventures. It was a delight and pleasure for us to partner with Sahara Ventures and Enea Advisors for the inaugural edition of the Pesatech Fintech Accelerator supported by UNCDF. I think initiatives like the Pesatech Accelerator is very important in an emerging market where the fintech ecosystem is still trying to find ground, because it does a few things. It brings together like-minded founders who are all building and scaling their 0 to 1 journey of building a fintech company. But at the same time, it also provides an opportunity for different stakeholders, whether it is the incumbents from the banking and financial service industry, the policymakers, investors who are looking at fintech investments, to come together and nurture the early stage ecosystem. I strongly believe that the role played by each of the partners was critical to the success of participants of the inaugural cohort. At Hindsight Ventures, what we brought to the table was our expertise in running fintech programs in different parts of the world, but more importantly, bringing in an international flavor, exposing the Tanzanian fintech startups to large enterprises from different markets, but as well as investors, development finance institutions, and other stakeholders who have built and scaled fintechs in other parts of the world. We believe by doing this, the fintech entrepreneurs are exposed to a world which is wider, which will allow them to build companies at scale and shape the future of the fintech ecosystem in Tanzania. We strongly believe that UNCDF should continue running programs like this in the future, because this is what is going to define how fintech is going to reshape not just the banking and financial services industry in Tanzania, but overall economic development, because fintech is something which cuts across as a lifestyle, whether it is business to business, whether it is business to government, or whether it is business to consumer. So thank you. It was a wonderful experience working together with fintechs from Tanzania. We look forward to continuing our association with Sahara Ventures, Enea Advisors, and UNCDF for another round of the Pesatech Accelerator in 2024.
My name is Jumanne Mtabariki. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Sahara Ventures. Sahara Ventures is among the implementing partners of Pesatech Accelerator. Pesatech Accelerator is a fintech accelerator that is looking at supporting fintech businesses in Tanzania to become investor ready through technical support, business support, as well as seed funding. The project aimed at bridging the gap when it comes to produce businesses that are investor ready. We are working with UNCDF, Enea Advisors, IPF Software, as well as Hindsight Ventures to identify, accelerate, promote, and invest on fintech startups. Some of the key lessons of Pesatech Accelerator from my side, and what kind of amazed me in terms of what we've been able to achieve, is offering this 360 perspective when it comes to support fintech startups in Tanzania, which include giving them understanding of the market dynamics, as well as doing business diagnostics of these businesses that are supported, but at the same time also offering them technical support where they were able to assess CIA, the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of their system, being part of the program. And at the same time, we are able to introduce them to different issues that are regulator related and matchmake them to prospective partners who are going to help them on the regulatory side. But also part of the program, they are able to engage and meet with corporate partners as well as industry experts to help them with the business modeling, as well as strategic integration with third-party partners, including people-owned payment gateways and aggregation systems. All in all, this has been an amazing experience even to us, Sahara Ventures. We have learned to engage with more mature later-stage businesses, as well as to establish this strategic partnership with people from a corporate side. I'm looking forward to future cohorts of Pesatech with other partners who might be involved in the program and the project. At this particular time, I would like to encourage those who are out there, especially fintech, who are looking for this kind of programs to take part in the next and the future cohorts of Pesatech Accelerator. Thank you.